Good afternoon to all. Let us continue the chapter Definite Integration from the book ML Agarwal, exercise 8.17. Last class I have done few sums from number 1, first part, second part, number 2 also I have done. See number 3 question. Integration 1 to 2, 3x by 9x square minus 1 dx. The second part integration a to b log x by x dx. Let me solve these two sums first. Okay. First part, number 3 first part and second part. See number 3 question. Question number 3 first part question given integration 1 to 2 3x dx by 9x square minus 1. First we have to substitute. Let 9x square minus 1 is equal to u. Okay, differentiating both sides, this will be 18x dx is equal to du. Keep here 3x dx, it will be how much? Du by 6. 3x dx equal to du by 6. Now 3x dx will be du by 6. This is u. First to complete the integration, after that 1 by 6 taken outside, integration du by u, it will be 1 by 6 log u. Okay, log u means 1 by 6 log u. You have to replace, that is 9x square minus 1, and the limit is 1 to 2. Okay, after that 1 by 6 upper limit value, putting x equal to 2 here, 2 square, this will be log of x equal to 2 means 2 ka whole square 4, 9 4 ja 36, 36 minus 1 35, then minus lower limit value log of, putting x is equal to 1 here, 9 into 1 square 9, 9 minus 1 8, log 8. Then this is coming 1 by 6 log, as per the logarithm property, log 35 by 8. This is the answer of number 3 first part. Now go to the number 3 second part. Number 3 second part question given integration a to b log x by x dx. So let log x equal to u, differentiating both sides, this will be 1 by x dx equal to du. After that you have to replace dx by x as du, and log x is equal to u du. So what is the integration? This will be u square by 2 means 1 by 2, u means what? Log x whole square. Now write the limit a to b. After that you have to write 1 by 2 upper limit value, putting upper limit value means putting x equal to b, log b whole square minus log a whole square. Okay, you can apply here a square minus b square, that will be 1 by 2 log b plus log a, and another one log b minus log a, using a square minus b square formula. Again you see how this is nothing but log of ab into, this will be log of b by a as for the log properties. In case of plus, this will be multiplication. If in case of minus, this will be divide, log of b by a. Question number 3 second part completed. Now come to I am doing some selective sums. Question number 5. Integration 0 to 1 x to the power 5 by 1 plus x to the power 6 dx. The second part also I will do. Integration 0 to 1 x by 1 plus x square dx. See number 5 first part. Number 5 first part question given integration 0 to 1 x to the power 5 dx by 1 plus x to the power 6. How to solve? Let x to the power 1 plus 1 plus x to the 6 is equal to u. Differentiating both sides, this will be 6 into x to the power 5 dx equal to du. Therefore, x to the power 5 dx is equal to du by 6. Differentiating both sides. Now replace x to the power 5 dx, that will be du by 6. This is u. That is nothing but 1 by 6 integration du by u, which is equal to 1 by 6 log of u. U means log of u, directly I am doing 1 plus x to the power 6, the limit 0 to 1. After that, 1 by 6, upper limit value putting x is equal to 1, that will be 1 plus 1 log 2, minus putting x is equal to 0 here, low limit value, that will be log 1, but log 1 is equal to how much? 0. The final answer will be 1 by 6 log 2, and this is the answer of number 5, first part. See the second part question given. Integration 0 to 1 x dx by 1 plus x square root over. Let 1 plus x square equal to u. This implies 2x dx is equal to du. Now replace x dx equal to du by 2. This is u root over. Finally getting 1 by 2 integration u to the power minus half du, which is equal to 1 by 2 u to the power minus half plus 1, that will be half by half. Then this will be how much? Half of cancel, u to the power half. U to the power half means 1 plus x square. Power half means root over. The limit value you have to write now 0 to 1. Now you have to write upper limit value. Upper limit value putting x is equal to 1, that will be root 2, minus low limit value putting x is equal to 0 here. How much you will get if I put x equal to 0 here? 1 root over. That means root 2 minus 1 is the answer. In this way, 4 questions I have completed from the chapter definite integration from the exercise 8.17. Okay. Let me solve 2 more questions. Question number 10. First part, integration cos of log s by x dx, limit given 1 to 3. The second part 1 to 2 dx by x whole into 1 plus log s whole square. I will do number 10 first part as well as second part. Okay. Just see how to solve. Number 10 first part question given, integration 1 to 3, lower limit 1, upper limit 3, cos of log x by x dx. Then let log s equal to u. So what is the derivative of log s? That is 1 by x dx equal to du. Okay. That means dx by x equal to du. So how much you are getting now? Therefore integration 1 to 3 cos of log x means that is u, and dx by x means du. Limit also you have to change, but don't write now limit. If x is equal to 1, okay, limit value I will put after that, don't write now limit. First to complete the integration, this will be u square by 2. Now 1 by 2, u square means that is log x whole square. Now write the limit 1 to 3. After completing the integration and converting the original function in terms of x, then find the limit. Okay. This will be 1 by 2 outside. Upper limit value putting x equal to 3, that is 3 log 3 whole square, replacing x by 3 minus log 1 whole square. Okay. Log 1 is 0, that means this part becomes 0. Finally getting 1 by 2 log 3 whole square. 1 by 2 log 3 whole square. This is the answer of number 10 first part. Now come to the second part question. The second part question given, number 10 second part, integration 1 to 2. Integration 1 to 2 dx by x whole into 1 plus log s whole square. That means you have to substitute, let 1 plus log x is equal to u. Differentiating both sides, what will get here? 1 can derivative 0. Log x means 1 by x dx is equal to du. Now dx by x, that is dx by x means du, and 1 plus log x, that is u square. Now take it off, e to the power minus 2 du. The integration will be u to the power minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 by u. Okay, that means minus 1 take it outside, 1 by u means 1 plus log s. The limit value now, right, that is 1 to 2. Now you have to put upper limit value, minus outside, replacing x by 2. This will be 1 plus log 2 minus lower limit value 1 by 1 plus log 1, x is equal to 1. As you know, log 1 equal to 0, that means this is 1 by 1 means 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus log 2 minus 1. Okay, if you take LCM, this will be minus outside 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus log 2 by 1 plus log 2. 1 cancel, so the final result will be plus log 2 by 1 plus log 2. This is the answer of number 10, second part. Okay, thank you for today class.